What? This is the first time you don't get so mad. But already mad. Just because. Oh, fuck. You hurt me really bad. Calm the fuck down. Wait. Over here. Come over here. Show them how cute your face is. You're so adorable. Wait. Keep poking. Oh my god. Wait. Let's go. Hi, Lisa. Yeah, say it. Let me hear you again. Say it. Say hi, Elisa. No? Calm down. You love me. Why are you so mad? Cute red eyes. You're always trying to find me. Stop trying to spike me. Stop it. So cute. Dylan, look. You see, I say your name, Dylan, and he goes crazy. Look. Dylan. See? Look. Dylan. Look. See? Yeah, I know you hate him. That's okay. He's not gonna be able to touch you at all. Because, oh, God, stop. Because you hate him. Yes, you do. You're so cute. And I don't know why I'm doing that. Alright, I think we're done with this video because it's too long and you're not doing anything productive or fun. You are so boring because you just want to sleep. Oh. Yeah, and fight. Right? Calm down.